What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Iotx, which has pumped up over 35%, nearly 40% in the last 24 hours, and is currently trading at 0.03731 cents, so just under 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping in the last 24 hours. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? We're going to be going through its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024. What can we expect from this crypto? Is it a crypto to buy right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and so on? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Iotx, which is here in purple at 0.026 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.03693 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Iotx over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading around its current price range. However, I'm expecting it to have taken a little bit of a step back, potentially drop down to about 0.033 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at, and potentially heading back to around 3 cents by midday to tomorrow afternoon. So yes, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Iotx over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, that does not mean that it's not going to pump anymore. Of course it will. It is likely to hit green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning this is not realistic. Again, it is basing it off the last 24 hours. It's pumped up so much and it's expecting it to keep going in that direction over the next week or so, and at that pace as well, which is not realistic. In fact, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Iotx to have dropped below the 3 cents target, is what my predictions are at the moment. However, guys, do expect the odd green day in between, but do expect more red days over the coming days, making Iotx drop below 3 cents by mid to end of this week. So an overall drop in value is what is expected from this crypto. And again, at the moment, because of the major pump that's taken place, it is overvalued. So yes, more than likely it's likely to start dropping in value over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, once again it's still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. We're looking very steep, meaning this is once again not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, potentially mid to late January 2024, I am expecting Iotx to be trading around the 4 cents target. So yes, an overall increase in value is what is expected from where it is at the moment, but before it goes to 4 cents, it's likely to drop back down to around 0.025 cents cents and then slowly and steadily gain value over the coming weeks. Approximately 2 months time, this should be heading up to around the 4 cents target, and especially that Bitcoin has gone through over $42,000 about a couple of hours ago is absolutely crazy. The crypto market is on the green side, and a couple of months ago I did expect Bitcoin to be heading over $40,000 in December, which exactly happened. But there is a price correction coming, but that's for another video. Today's focus is on all Iotx. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. We did get quite close to hitting the green zone here, which was just about under 6 cents in target. And at the moment, I'm not expecting it to hit the green zone. In fact, slow and steady increases up to 4 cents by early next year. Potentially mid next year is when it should potentially hit the resistance target of 6 cents and then break out heading into the green zone, and potentially hitting around 10 cents towards the very end of next year. So around this time next year, if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, like Bitcoin pumping up to about $60,000-$70,000 by end of the next year, then we should also see Iotx hitting around 10 cents in target, meaning the whole crypto market should be moving towards a positive direction. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 650%, making it $120 million in trading, which is again a massive increase in trading. Again, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so of course it is going to get a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot of people are trading the crypto right now, both buying and selling it. So let me know in the comment section down below, what are you guys doing with Iotx right now? Are you buying it? Are you selling it? Or are you holding back and waiting for it to either pump up higher or drop down even lower? And let me know in the comment section down below. And also comment down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Iotx to hit in 2024? Comment down below as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Iotx. For those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now? Simple answer is no, I wouldn't, because it is overvalued, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to drop down below 3 cents, potentially down to about 0.025 cents again. So if I buy it right now, there's literally no point. I'd rather wait for it to drop down further. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.